Juicing for children is a great way for frustrated parents to introduce fruit and vegetables in an appealing manner without having to deal with temper tantrums at the dinner table. The best part is that you can sneak in healthy ingredients like spinach or kale, which they don't tend to notice. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing juicing for children. How many children do you know that will eat celery? I can count them on no fingers. Why not juice celery and add a little apple too? Kids will love it. If you want to sneak in some dark leafy greens, try adding spinach or kale with pineapple for an awesome flavour combination. There are lots of other combinations available using fruits and vegetables that kids will enjoy, like oranges, blueberries, strawberries, broccoli and carrots. You might be surprised at how well they eat when their food is transformed into yummy looking drinkables. The colours alone make them appealing, and you could even freeze the juices and make healthy ice popsicles for hot summer days. Kids don't tend to like strong flavours, so try these mild juice combinations: banana and pineapple, apple and pear, watermelon and kiwi. Combining veggies with fruit provides more vitamins than either one alone. The best way is to start with something simple, like a cucumber-based juice. Cucumbers are very mild and calming on the stomach, which makes them perfect for kids who have sensitive digestion. Follow that up by introducing carrots, apples, or oranges as well. Juicing for babies. For children under 1, it is better to speak with a doctor or health professional before giving juice to babies. However, once they start weaning, there is no reason why they cannot start to be introduced to yummy juices. Add vegetables or fruit to juices that they already like. Most children will eat carrots, as they are naturally sweet. Add other vegetables into the mix one at a time. Examples include celery, leafy greens, beetroot, and other stronger tasting vegetables. Children often show more interest in eating meals they have helped to prepare, so let them choose the fruits and vegetables at the store. Show them how to peel, chop, and prepare them. You may wish to just let them watch as you process the fruits and vegetables in the juicer. So that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.